Hello and welcome back to BioS. In this video we're going to be covering the topic of diffusion, and this is covered in topic 1, cell biology. This is required for courses GCSE Biology and Combined Science Higher and Foundation. So by the end of this video you should be able to define diffusion using the exact keywords expected from the specification. You should be able to explain the 3 factors that affect the rate of diffusion, and you should be able to perform surface area to volume calculations for different sized objects. In addition, you should be able to describe the structural adaptations of specialized exchange surfaces in plants and animals. So, diffusion is defined by the spreading out of particles in a solution or gas. I've shown a diagram here which will help you understand it further. Diffusion results in a net movement from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. As you can see, the particles here are more compact and they move over to this one because there's more space for them to move around. That is considered a lower concentration than this. Particles move down a concentration gradient. Diffusion is considered a passive process. This means it requires no energy from respiration. So here are the factors shown that affect diffusion rates. So the concentration gradient, the temperature at which diffusion occurs at, and the surface area of membrane. So here is the steps to calculate surface area to volume ratio. So step 1 is to find the surface area, and you can do this by area of one face, in brackets length times width times by 6 faces. Step 2 is by finding the volume, which is by length times multiplied by width multiplied by height. And step 3 is then writing it as a ratio in the form surface area to volume, and then simplifying it if possible. So I'm going to show some worked examples now. So a small cube, you can find the surface area by multiplying 1 by 1 and then multiplying that by 6, which gives you 6 centimetres squared. To find the volume, you multiply 1 3 times, which gives you 1 centimetre cubed, and then you end up with a ratio of 6 to 1. Right, here's a large cube. So to find the surface area, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6, which will give you 54 centimetres squared. To find the volume, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which will give you 27 centimetres cubed. And this is left in the ratio 54 to 27, which can then be simplified to 2 to 1. Now, a key thing to remember is that as organisms get larger, the surface area to volume ratio decreases. So therefore, they share an inversely proportional relationship. Now, I've listed some specialized exchange surfaces below. A large surface area, and this is created by folding or flattening. A thin membrane, which provides us a short diffusion pathway. An efficient blood supply, which is only in animals. This keeps moving molecules to maintain a steep concentration gradient. And lastly, ventilation, which is, again, only present in animals. And this maintains constant gas exchange, which then maintains a steep concentration gradient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has helped you understand the topic of diffusion further in topic 1 cell biology, and I wish you good luck on your exams.